All right, welcome. Jeffrey Nielsen with Movement Mortgage. Thank you for joining us. Apologize for the technical difficulty. Today, I really wanted to come to you and talk to you because so many people are so fascinated and there's so much interest in ChatGPT that I'm figuring how can we get the message out for my real estate partners to use this in their business to implement immediately and impact their business. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into it. Got some good things to present. I've got my PowerPoint slides, so it's gonna drop off and you'll see all of that. If you have questions, please put it in the chat. I'll answer them at the end. I'll try to get through them pretty swiftly so that we can really have some time to talk at the end. So if you have anything else to bring up, please let me know. But excited to share how this ChatGPT can impact your real estate this coming season and in the future years to come. Thank you. All right. ChatGPT and AI for real estate, how to harness the power of AI and grow your real estate business. So we all know ChatGPT is on the AI, one of the AI platforms that's making all the headlines. It can help you reclaim your time that you spend writing listing descriptions, social media content, emails for your clients and prospects, scripts for videos and phone calls, blogs and web copy for your website, and everything that involves putting thoughts into words. So today we're going to cover what is ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, some effective prompts to really get the most out of it and get your mind working through it, and examples. So what is ChatGPT? Well, it's an advanced computer program that uses artificial intelligence to communicate through text. It's designed to understand and generate human-like conversations. As a realtor, you can benefit from ChatGPT by using it to answer common questions from clients, provide property information, and even draft messages and emails. It's like a helpful assistant that knows a lot about language and can assist you in various communication tasks to make your work easier and more efficient. By the way, ChatGPT wrote that. So is it a fad or is it going away anytime soon? Well, Microsoft recently said that AI's impact on our lives will be as big as the PC and internet. It's huge. They just invested $10 billion in OpenAI, the maker of ChatGPT. In fact, Microsoft stated that they're going to roll out ChatGPT across Microsoft Office products. Okay. So OpenAI.com. So who's ready to start using it? So this is a hands-on. If you're attending or if you're watching, please, you can just literally open up a web browser and we'll get started. So there's a free version and a paid version. The paid version is $20 per month and gets you access to ChatGPT 4. The paid version allows you to continue to use ChatGPT even in heavy traffic, where a free user may get an error message if his site's too busy. ChatGPT 4 will also search a lot more parameters, which is said to provide more responses and be able to read even more complex requests. So let's open up your browser, let's see, to chatgpt.com or openai.com, excuse me. If you haven't created an account, you can simply do that to sign up. If you have logged in, then great, you can log in. Sometimes, every once in a while, there could be something that says a lot of people are checking out ChatGPT, we're doing our best. So essentially you can check back in a few minutes and it probably will open right back up. Once you complete the sign-up process, you'll log in and see a dashboard that looks like this. You can keep it in dark mode or a light mode, depending on your eye preferences. In the bar at the bottom of the page, you'll enter your prompts. This is where you enter your requests. Are you with me? Does this make sense? Now, before I play the first prompt, let me show you what you're looking at. So the left-hand side of the column is the ChatGPT memory bank. It's housing responses that you have prompted to give ChatGPT. The box at the bottom of the screen is where you will write your prompt telling ChatGPT what you want it to say. The box that says model is the version you're running. Whether you're on the free or paid version, it will default to Chat 3.5 and you can change it to Chat GPT 4 manually. Here's an example. Oh, that was the prompt. I'm teaching a class to realtors on how to effectively use ChatGPT to grow their business. Why should they come? And here's the prompt. There are several compelling reasons why realtors should attend: gain a competitive advantage, enhance customer experience, save time and increase productivity, improve lead generation. So ChatGPT can be used to capture leads and qualify them before passing them on to an agent. By attending the class, realtors can learn how to effectively use this to improve their lead gen and increase their efforts of closing more deals. So now, one of the neat things you can do, and this is just kind of a how-to class again, is that you can request additional information based on the information that it just provided you. So let's see if we do something to change the fourth prompt here. Oops. Let's see. All right. Thought it would play. All good, but you can dig down into it and put more information here, and it would literally take it and give you more information about the fourth bullet point. So how can a realtor use ChatGPT? Well, let's dig into this tool for you as a realtor. Are you ready to see what you can do? Here are ways you can use ChatGPT right now. So we know that so many agents who sweat and stress over writing copy when they'd rather be, working to find more clients and helping them buy or sell homes. No bot can replace your voice or what a skilled, knowledgeable, and motivated, experienced realtor can do for their clients. However, who would like to never have to write a listing description again? ChatGPT can save you hours with property listing descriptions and a lot more you can see from the list here. So we've got anything from listing descriptions, advertisements, email with subject lines, review requests, blog posts, website copy, buyer-seller guides, and checklists, and obviously much, much more. It's an infinite use when you start to dig in. But wait, there's more. There's also who struggles with what to post online. It's another good question, right? Who here has recorded a video if they had said something they felt confident in saying or had a script they could use? Who would do it if they had the script? There you go. How about scripts for your sales prospecting calls? Well, ChatGPT's got it. There's content ideas, objection handling, video scripts, keywords, emails, team communication. You can even create a website chat box with it. Of course, Power Hour prospecting. So there's unlimited uses. It's really something that you just have to use and play with and continue to find out what works for you and what's next on your to-do list. So the most important thing about ChatGPT is it's all about the understanding that ChatGPT has only the information that you give it. So ChatGPT doesn't currently search the internet. It stopped learning its initial set of data in September 2021. So the information it pulls is from the data that it was trained on. It's a huge, important no point because it isn't about current history, right? It's up to 2021. So that's why prompts are so important. A prompt is a phrase or individual keyword used to input to ChatGPT. The tool then tries to analyze and understand the input and automatically generates a response. What makes a good prompt? Here are some tips to keep in mind and make sure that you're a ChatGPT pro. So here's a pro tip. For example, if you're a group of realtors and you say, act as a real estate agent, ChatGPT will generate responses from the perspective of a real estate agent, providing information and advice relating to buying, selling, or renting properties. This could be useful brainstorming role-playing scenarios or exploring different perspectives on real estate-related issues. For example, include the tone you want ChatGPT to mimic professional, You can have conversational or even funny. You can even tell it to write like a specific person. Write me a listing description like Tom Ferry wrote it. It's pretty interesting. The more information you give, the better ChatGPT's responses will be. For example, when asking for a listing description, include details about the type of property, location, features you want to highlight, the address, and more. Now for listings, if ChatGPT can be too wordy, just ask it to write a more concise manner. You can also ask it to limit the response to a specific character count if needed. For instance, shorten it to 280 characters. Now, provide context. For example, I'm a real estate agent that sells luxury properties in Beverly Hills. What are the current trends in luxury properties in this area? Now, let's see some examples. Let's enter the prompt. I'm a realtor and I have a listing appointment that I'm going on. Write me an outline for a professional real estate listing presentation. Excuse me, there we go. So put it in within seconds, boom, it starts spitting it out. Not only are you getting the structure, it's also giving you the flow when things should show up. Are you beginning to see how you could use ChatGPT? Boom. See how it's saved up there on the left-hand side? So now you can go back to other searches, save them, copy them, paste them to clients, which is one of the ways I'm using it as a lender. All right. Here's an example of what ChatGPT can generate in just a few seconds with a one-sentence prompt for a listing description. Notice once the response is done, it asks you if you'd like to regenerate or take another pass at it. Take a look here. I want to invite people from the neighborhood from an exclusive open house preview of a property in their neighborhood. The preview will be on Friday, May 26th. Write a brief letter introducing the neighborhood property with 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a fireplace, walking distance, and end it with a call to action for more information. Let's see, I've got it. It's thinking. All right. There's your letter. Boom. It takes a lot of the workload and the to-do off your plate or your marketing assistant's plate. Now, if we want to turn some of the invite into a Facebook ad, you don't need to redo the prompt. ChatGPT will just rewrite it. So read the prompt. Let's see. So rewrite the above script with emojis as a Facebook ad, and boom, looking for a luxurious home just steps from the beach. Look no further. It's got the emojis. It makes it fun and easy, and it's short and concise to invite them to the event. Again, who can see themselves saving time with such access in their hands? Who here thinks this will improve their marketing? I know it has for us, and we use it extensively at this point for ideas and future thinking. So on the topic of Facebook ads, let's say you want to showcase some homes all within a certain price point directed at a target audience. Write a Facebook targeted ad for millennial and Gen Z home buyers, showcasing a list of homes under $400,000. Boom. Attention millennial and Gen Z buyers, ready to find your dream home without breaking the bank. Introducing a specially curated list of stunning homes under $400,000, perfect for first-time buyers like you. That's awesome. And then you can literally regenerate the response if you wanted to change it in any way. So let's see, rewrite this ad and give space to showcase 3 properties. Within the Facebook ad. Let's take a look. Boom. Breaking the bank. Check it out now. Here's the link. Get a sneak peek of our 3 amazing properties. Property A, wow. And literally, you put your images in there and you're ready to promote. So many ways to use this. It's really what you decide, you know, what you can come up with. And especially with collaboration with others, you can really put ideas together and learn new things in a quick way. Look at this, still going. Don't miss out. Here we go. All right. Something to consider, even if you're a newer agent or don't have a lot of listings currently, it's a great opportunity to promote other listings in your firm. Maybe even see if the listing agent will let you host an open house and drum up more business. Using tools like this, who knows what you could uncover. All right, here's an example of asking ChatGPT to write a 30-second video script sharing tips about buying a home in today's market. The thing to note is that the prompt I'm letting ChatGPT know what's happening with rates, letting ChatGPT know about today's market is important since the latest data set was trained on 2021. You can see it included suggestions for music and B-roll videos. Pretty good for a first attempt. Let's take a look. Why buying a home is better than renting right now. Love it, building content. This is the first video attempt. Wow. Who's struggled with putting videos together and coming up with the content? It's not the physical act of doing the video. It really is the content and being comfortable with it. And so here's a way you can play with every idea in your head. You can really work on your own branding, what's personal, what's close to you. As you know, I'm big on wealth management, right? Fiscal literacy, financing and wealth management and real estate. And this is such a fun tool to unpack ideas, see what other suggestions come about, what's really in the marketplace, and what people need to know, and then put it in different perspectives. So very cool. So how can you take this to the next level? Is record the video segments and take a response from ChatGPT and upload it into the Fiverr or Upwork and allow a freelancer to edit the video for you with music and B-roll. This will save you time and money. A short video form getting edited often runs around $35, some more or less, which even if you recorded 10 videos this way, it's still far less than one commission check. So ask yourself, if I send all the videos out to get edited, would it not save me enough to find one more deal? All right. Before you do anything in your day, you should be getting to prospecting out of the way, right? We're seeing more expired listings on the market in the current environment. But let's see what ChatGPT says. What do you think? Write me a cold calling script for real estate agent calling expired listings. Boom. See how much time it takes. This is all real time, essentially. Sure. Here's an example of a cold calling script. Get your intro, qualifying the lead, addressing concerns, explaining the process, and closing. Love it. Very cool. Now you could say, act as a realtor, creating an email to help buyers prepare for moving day. So act as a realtor, write an email to help home buyers prepare for moving day. That's pretty good. Boom, within 5 seconds. Just starts going. List of tips and helpful checklists. Great. Start early. It's actually a wonderful tip right here. How many buyers in general could use a bulleted, kind of checklist to get their, their life moving, because once ratified, life moves quickly, as we know. All right. Label everything. I've made that mistake. Excellent. We'll move on. You get the idea. Suppose you're trying to keep up with a website blog. It's a great start. Obviously, you can copy and paste the text or level up by recording a video on the top reasons and embed it along with the text on your blog. So, for instance, write a 500-word blog post for real estate agents' website explaining the 5 reasons why someone should move to Charlotte. Thriving city, booming economy, affordable cost of living, outdoor activities, cultural scene, sports. Imagine trying to write this on your own, or, pay for someone to write it for you, or search the web for the right article, but it's never quite right. This gives you the creative space to actually ask for what you want and then refine it to get exactly what you're trying, the point that you're trying to get across. And my guess is you're going to learn a lot of things that we didn't even think of. So that's really the power and the beauty of it. How about this prompt for using phone, text, email, right? Write a marketing campaign for a new real estate buyer lead that inquired on an agent's website. Make the plan 3 days in length with the following. Day 1, short call script for new buyer lead. Quick email that asks the top 5 things they're looking for in the property. Day 2, text that asks them if they've had a chance to review. And day 3, check-in email to see if they have any questions. So that's a nice setup, right? We not get a prompt there? Here we go. Sorry about that. I did it again. Excuse me. Let me hit play here. Finish it. Within a few seconds, we should have an answer up. Awesome. I personally use this on my follow-up campaign because we've continued to fine-tune and refine what messaging we're sending to our leads to help them to apply. Without an application, we can't help them, right? We can't sell a house. So that's one of our top priorities. Awesome. Look at that quick check-in email. It writes it all, and then you can continue to refine if you wanted to. So what's next? So good news, OpenAI is not the only platform, right? There's others that can help you save time and be effective. It's just ChatGPT is just one of the most of the headlines. It's just the tip of the iceberg. So Bard is a Google platform. It gives slightly different responses, but looks at more real-time data for searching the internet. If you're interested, you can go to bard.google.com and it will provide you with the option to join the waiting list. For the most part, you'll get access from your Gmail account almost instantly. It's a great option for getting market updates to places or for real estate website or LinkedIn profiles, so you can get more real-time info. Here's an example. Let's see. Write a May 2023 real estate market update for prospective home buyers for the Charlotte, North Carolina area. Sure. Get pre-approved, act quickly, be flexible, buying a fixer-upper, working with a real estate agent, knows the area. Excellent. Different drafts. Check that out. So you might want more fact-based information. You might want more bullet points, right? So what a great way to have a different option than just ChatGPT. So definitely encouraged to keep seeing what's out there and trying it. This one's really interesting. So if you want to create video, but you don't want to be in the video, you can take ChatGPT script and put it in the heygen.com. You can pick your background and an AI generated person, and they'll speak it out for you. Now, this one's a little cooler because some of us, like myself, do like to be on camera. But if you want to be in the video, but you want to personalize the video using AI, you can go to Maverick and record a 15-minute script, or up to a 15-minute script. Then every script you upload will be corrected with AI. So you look like you're saying, hey, Allison, hey, Jake, hey, Brittany. What a great way to basically personalize videos at scale, right? So if you wanted to contact all of your past clients and reach out with a personal video, which I do, about debt consolidation, what a timely way to do that. So team, let's get Maverick on our list. This is a great tool. I'll give you an update after I use it, okay? Thanks. Futurepedia, this is very interesting. So this is really a, it's like a AI tools everyday list. So as things continue to grow and there's different needs and different editing softwares, you can see from audio editing, avatars, code, copywriting, customer support, bots. You can have this kind of search, and there's, as of this date, there was 2,821 tools available. So you can just search for what might be most relevant to you. Now, the two most important things are your prompts and what you do with them. You need to audit the content, add your own voice, because the output that you get from ChatGPT may not be your tone, right? May not be right. So it's all about you putting your spin on it, right? And I call that your own unique branding and your own messaging, which is what's so exciting. It's not about letting a robot do it for you. It's about you putting your intention into it and getting the right answers out that meets your vision. So just getting started, practice, test, repeat, you'll get better at it. So from day one to now, we're already using it in so many ways that I couldn't even explain when I first started. So awesome. So I'd love to ask if there's any questions, because hoping this was valuable to you today. And I'm always available to, I'm open to attend other classes or anything else that might be helpful. If there's other agents you want to get this to, we can certainly send it to them. And thank you for attending. Let me get back here, real screen here to finish up. So I wanted to know, I guess, number one, if anyone has any questions, you can put them in the chat. If there's any specific, answers you're looking for, I'd love to help. Because ChatGPT is being used in so many ways, so much that I guess now that I'm using it, I actually got a advertisement on an investor platform to purchase, which is about how to invest in AI tech. I remember after learning about this, the first thing I said is, let's not miss the boat. Where should I be investing, right? If you had money, where would you put it? And that's a critical question. So especially in such a changing economy. So be sure to look into that. There's some pretty big things coming there. So if there's any other questions, let me know. You can call us, you can text, you can email. We're always here to help. And hope this helps you in your real estate career and further business going into 2024. Feels like we're all kind of business planning for the next year and doing events and changing practices and CRMs and things like that. So I hope this is a great way to give you some new traction for the new year. So anyway, hope you're doing well. Thanks for attending. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.